Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. As you can probably tell, recently I've been making all my videos with a green screen and light box in the background. If you don't know how I set that up, feel free to have a look at my light box or green screen videos that I've made. But now what I've been doing is I've been recording it with Bandicam, the two separate webcam video and the desktop screen recording video, and then mix it together with Premiere Pro. And I used to have to fiddle around with the settings quite a bit in Premiere Pro to get the chroma key working properly. But what I should have done is I should have just set it up inside OBS. Right, because inside OBS you can simply set up your webcam with the chroma key, and then this video just comes pre-recorded, so you don't have to mix it up together, and you can also move your thing around anytime. So I'm not sure why I didn't do this earlier, but I'll just show you how I set that up. So initially when you open up OBS, the webcam thing isn't there, so I'm just going to delete that. I'll just remove that. Okay, so initially you just have a desktop and it's recording the desktop. So to get the webcam working, you're going to click add, and then you're going to click on video capture device, and just type something in so you know it's your webcam. And then you can see that it detects your webcam and it's got my green screen in the background. Now I thought I would have to fiddle around with these settings, but really you just click OK. You don't have to change any of this, just leave it. Okay, and right now it's got the green. But then what you do is you right click on webcam and choose filters, and then you just add an effect. And the effect you're going to add is called chroma key, and that's when it finds the green and replaces it with another color. And you can notice that I did not change any setting. It just did it all for me automatically. So then you can just click close. All right, and then it's got your picture against the desktop. So that's all you have to do. How easy is that? Amazing. I can't believe how much time I'm going to save. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.